Hey, welcome back YouTube to my channel, The Smoking Beard. Today I wanted to give you an update on my hack on the cold smoker attachment. Alright, so I use this cold smoker attachment to do a brisket overnight, and I wanted to give you a update on my grill that I put in here as a as an alternative. So I wasn't gentle with this grill. I actually was very, I would say, rough with it. I wanted to see how good it would stand the test of time, and actually it's done pretty good. So if you're thinking, if you have the bottom part of your cold smoker attachment, the bottom part of the grill that is worn out and you're looking for a replacement, this is a very good alternative. If you do not know what I'm talking about, go to my videos and you'll see how I got this little grill little attachment hack on there. But yes, it did work, and it doesn't look like it's not really worn out. So I can probably use this multiple times before I have to replace it. So there you go. This did work. I hope this does help you guys out with your cold smoker attachment. Once again, thanks for watching.